Nice try, bitch!
Springtrap, bro, I can see you crawling in the van right now. Come on now. I'm not scared of you. Is that a spider? Oh my god, he's coming. Oh my god, he's coming. Oh my god, close the door. Close the door. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. Bro, look at Freddy. Wait, he doesn't see me. What? Bro, why is he looking kind of slow? Bro, look how stiff he is, bro. He's such a fatty.
Wait, is he still following me? He is! Run! Ooh, what you gonna do about that? Oh, wait! What the? Wait!
Shh, chat, don't say anything.
First I'ma line you up, cuz that's what I'm good at, cuz like, bro, if you want a free haircut, like, come to me for real, like, come on, man, like, yo, I can fix that. Hold on, bro, I can fix that, bro. See, look, I can just make it even, bro. You all good. See, look, all I gotta do is just cut all this and you good. Oh my gosh. Yo, get out my store, bro.
She was a fairy.
Hey, there go the ops right there. Get him! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, my boy. Shit, spliffed his ass. Shit, making mad noise though. It's over now. It's tragic.
Oh, we got a dump truck backing up. Everybody make some way. There's barely enough room. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah!
Alright, bro, give me 5 more minutes before I go to work. Damn. Yo, if I get up, I'ma beat your ass.
Bro, how do you cough up that big ass hairball? Man's done made himself a whip. Oh shit. Miano Trumpson?
No falling! Oh my God. I'm gonna fall. Don't fall. Oh my God. Stop.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a praying.
My hands were slipping. I let it go. Trevor, I'm coming. Trevor, I'm gonna be sick. Trevor. Trevor, please.
This is the ramp.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Break it up. Bro, if y'all don't stop this cartoon-ass fight...
I gotta get up, go to work every single day, fool. You really got left on easy mode, bro. I really want to stop the... You ever been shot before?
Yo, I'm never dog sitting again, bro. I had to come lock myself in this room, bro. This freaky-ass dog won't leave me alone.
Oh man, it's over now, bro. They done caught my boy Ratatouille lacking. Oh shit, that ain't Ratatouille, that's Master Splinter.
Stop. Kyle!
Stop the music.
Oh my god! Stop it!
I got this.
This is cheese sauce. Guess what it's made out of?
Sauce?
Yeah, you're right, it's cheese.
Alright. Give me your worst. Roast me.
Super zabawka. Można się odstresować, fajny dźwięk wydaje. Serio super.
Here's another easy dance for Halloween. Step, tap, step, tap. Scale.
Yo, 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 let's cut some bread with something sharp. Oh, that's nice. Bread.
Bread. Bread. Bread. Bread.
Farsi, fuck bagadi, egg bagadi, eggak, defak baga, sexy.
And I said to you, what's up, baby girl?
I got this.
This is cheese sauce. Guess what it's made out of?
Sauce?
Yeah, you're right, it's cheese.
Alright. Give me your worst. Roast me.
Super zabawka. Można się odstresować, fajny dźwięk wydaje. Serio super.
Here's another easy dance for Halloween. Step, tap, step, tap. Scale.
Yo, 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 let's cut some bread with something sharp. Oh, that's nice. Bread.
Bread. Bread. Bread. Bread.
Farsi, fuck bagadi, egg bagadi, eggak, defak baga, sexy.
And I said to you, what's up, baby girl?
Dark and Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking
Hey, let him sleep. Be quiet.
Why is it quiet? How did you get up there? That is not a place dogs go. Don't fall. Please don't fall. You are not a Pat, you weigh 60 pounds. Explain yourself. You chose this position.
Can I put my balls in your jaw?
What the fuck was that? Was it a ghost?
Balls in your jaw.
Did I see that? This place is definitely haunted!
Can I?
Justin, just run across the express. Never mind, you're dead, Justin!
You call me dog? I'm going full Mexican on your bitch ass. Más te vale que nos des un pinche cuarto, si no ahorita te tumbo los pinches ojos, güey.
Someone tell me what he's saying! What the f is he saying? Dude, I don't speak Taco Bell!
Open here. And then run. Okay, run. Come here, you fuck.
Alberto! Cavolo che ti Marcello! Mamma mia!
Who knows what a cow says? Susie.
A cow says moo.
Excellent. Now who can tell me what a pig says? Little Johnny.
A pig says, "Get up against the wall and put your hands on your head, you black motherfucker!" I think I make it this. Oh, Jesus Christ! I can walk on water. Ooh, hamburger, cheeseburger, less than tomato. Hamburger, cheeseburger, less than tomato. Hamburger, cheeseburger, less than tomato. Oh, where's the monster? There.
I'm Tanya Ida. 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 I am Tanya Ida. Promise I'll be kind, but I will stop until that Deku is mine.
Caught on your mini, chase me down until you love me.
I am Tanya Ida. Sweet little Takubi, I know what you want from me. I am Tanya Ida. I am Tanya Ida.
Sweet little caught on me, I know what you want from me.
I am Tanya Ida. I am Tanya Ida. Tanya Ida. I love Deku, it's crazy. I want you over again. Tanya Ida. I love Kachan, it's crazy. I want you over again. I